Or compound inequalities are a little easier to recognize than their and counterparts because they will always include the word or. The expectation in an or compound inequality is that the shading will point in opposite directions. You will have these infinite ranges of solutions that go above one number and below a different number. We'll show in a later video that that's not always the case, but that should be the general expectation when it comes to working with compound inequalities. Also, because they are already separated by the word or, you have no option other than to go through the long process of solving these by hand. There's no way to combine the two of them together. Even if they did look like they had parts that were the same, you still have to go through the steps of making sure that you have all of the pieces solved individually. In the case of this example, we have 2 and -6 as the beginnings of the two regions. We are greater than 2, we are less than -6, and those two combined will make up our solution set. Compound inequalities can also include more difficult elements of equation solving and inequality solving that we've seen already. This one over here is relatively easy. One move, subtracting 8, leaves us with h is less than or equal to -2. Over here, we have a little bit more of a challenge. We talked about with inequalities to try to avoid using cross multiplication. Instead of using cross multiplication, it's a little bit better to use common denominators, multiplication by common denominators. So we're going to multiply both sides of this inequality by 2. That's going to knock out those two, leaving us with 3h minus 11 is greater than 4. Adding the 11 over, dividing by 3, and we're left with h is greater than 5. And very similar to the last example, still with the 5, but this time with a -2. We'll make sure we fill in the circle for -2, but we won't fill in the circle for the 5. And there's our solution space for this or compound inequality.